Check out the stew we've brought you today. It's amazing. Asturias cabbages in Galicia are called grelos. I think it's a type of Swiss chard. If you know better than I do, let me know in the comments. I read them all. And with this, I'm going to make an amazing stew, full of flavor and super comforting. I love it. So there you have it. Asturian stew, cabbage stew. Wow, that's so good. First essential ingredient, of course, 250 grams of white beans, soaked for 12 hours so they turn out perfect. Then, in a pot, we're going to cook them on low heat for 90 minutes, no more, no less. Next ingredient, and there are many, the Compango to give our stew amazing flavor. Pork shoulder, bacon, chorizo, and blood sausage. This is what an Asturian stew has at the very least. Then, depending on the region or personal taste, people add other things. After the first 90 minutes, we add it to the pot, cover with a little more water, just enough so everything cooks well. But if you like chorizo more than a fool likes a pencil, you can add 2. It's all right, put it in, cover it up, and let's cook. Oops, sorry. The blood sausage wasn't supposed to go here. Let's rewind. Take out the blood sausage, leave it there, and now we cook for 60 minutes on low heat. Next essential ingredient, we need collard greens for a good collard green stew. 200 grams is enough. We remove the stems like this. You don't need a knife or anything. Just drag them like this. You get the stem, and that's for throwing away. Once you've given your vegetables a good wash, cut them into pieces however you like. Some people leave them really big, like my dad, and I like them that way. Not too small either, but if I had to describe them, I'd say they're small, about 1 centimeter or so, and a little longer. And in a new pot with plenty of water, are you going to cook? Here I'm also going to add the blood sausage that I had forgotten before, cover it, and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. After some time, the collard greens have started to cook. We take out this blood sausage and set it aside because we're going to add it later. We drain the collard greens really well, and you might be wondering why. Well, in Asturias, we say it leaves the water with a greenish tint. Look, see, the water has a green touch, so we get rid of that water. Once you have them well drained, go back to the original pot, the first one, and add them in. Even if it seems like they won't fit, don't worry because they'll shrink as they cook. We cover it and cook on low heat for another 60 minutes, all on low heat. Meanwhile, prepare 150 grams of potatoes and break them up. You know, you stick the tip in like this and pull out chunks so it looks like this. When cooked, they release starch and thicken the broth. Do you have them? Has the time passed? All right, then put them in. Along with the rest of the ingredients, let's add salt to taste. Be very careful, because the sausage is already salty by itself, but you still need to add the essential salt inside. Give it a stir so the potatoes settle, and then we add the blood sausage back in for this final cooking stage, because I like everything to be well cooked. Low heat, 30 minutes. Asturian stew has 2 close cousins, Montagnais stew and Galician broth. Which do you prefer? My vote is clear, yours? Leave it in the comments, I'll read them. We'll all go there after some time, it'll look like this. Look how amazing it looks. We take out the sausage and cut it up. Then we add it back to the mixture and give it a couple of gentle folding stirs with the pot. In Asturias, we call this circular or back and forth motion simielgat. 3 little turns, don't overdo it. And then let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Take it to the next level, then to the table, warm and nice. Look, wow, how amazing. Pot of collard greens, Asturian stew. Let's take a trip with the camera. Look, wow, pure wonder. I'll show you up close so you can see it. You can't find a flaw. It looks spectacular. Ras, who wants more on their plate? It's got chorizo, it's got blood sausage, it's got bacon, it's got everything. Grab a spoon and let's try it. Wow. It's a 100% guaranteed show.